Want to measure weight accurately? Use a balance scale. This guide shows how to set it up and take precise readings. To achieve accuracy, place the scale on a stable, flat surface. A firm base eliminates fluctuations in readings. Next, level the scale by centering the bubble in the leveling eye. This adjustment boosts accuracy significantly. Ensure the scale's feet uniformly touch the surface to avoid issues later on. When using the scale, position objects gently and centrally for stability. For liquids in containers, subtract the container's weight using the tare button. This keeps your measurements accurate. Using known weights checks the scale's accuracy. Place it opposite the object to achieve balance for proper measurement. Wait for the reading to stabilize before noting the weight. Know the displayed unit for accurate interpretation. Regular calibration maintains accuracy, especially with frequent use. Check dust and humidity levels that can affect accuracy. Common mistakes include neglecting recalibration, using unstable surfaces, or incorrect placement of items, leading to inconsistent readings. When cleaning, turn off and unplug the scale first. Use a soft cloth to avoid damage. Mastering a balance scale involves proper setup, zeroing, accurate placement, and known weights for verification. Regular calibration and maintenance ensure precision. Follow these steps to achieve reliable measurements every time. Practice these steps to become an expert at using a balance scale. Ensure accuracy in all your measurements.